Hello there and welcome back to my videos. In this video I want to speak about the PHP and the Laravel framework and how we can work with the Laravel's routing system. It's still the basic about the Laravel, so I will don't get into the deep, but I will show how you can do it in the basic way and get up and running with the Laravel framework. The first we're going to speak about is how we can create a new route, and then how we can make links between the routes. It should be pretty easy, and then I will show you how you can make a post request, and of course how that's working, and how you can use the CSRF protection when you use the post request, because else it will be blocked. And then I want to show you how you can move the variables we have here inside the routes, so you don't need the PHP code inside the templates. And I think that's what we're gonna work with today, and I really hope you enjoy. And let's starting up. Before we are starting, I really hope you want to subscribe. You can just press the ding below in the right corner, and don't forget all the code will be on the GitHub, so you can find the link below in the description. And happy coding. The first we're gonna do is going into the routes here, and you have 3 route variants. The one we want to work with, it's the web.php, and inside that you can see we already have one. We have the welcome, the view welcome, and then we have the route slash. The next one we want to build here should be let's call it a post. We want to build some block system, so let's call it a post, and then we want to have one, say create, and then we're gonna say we want to post. This is the template, and we want one create post. Inside that post we need we need to duplicate the layouts we have, and I'll just say posts, and I'll go inside and strip it a little up so we don't have all of those. List all posts on this page, and I'll just remove all of those up here. Posts, and I will just copy this and say create post, create new post. Let's play around with post here, and what we're then gonna do, it's we can just go into the browser here, and I can just say posts. Now we have the post and list all the posts, and I can say create here, and now I can create a new post page, and then we're back. So now we are ready to add the navigation. Of course we can go inside the main here, and we can just say this one and say dual li, and we can do this and say posts, and we can say post, and we can say create new post. Great. Of course that's the option, and that's will work. Of course I need home. I can show you that here, and we can just say create new post and home. But if we some reason want to create this for blocks, then all the places we want We have that. We need to change that manually. In Blade, we can do this very nice way. We can just say this one and call it a name. Call this posts and name create post, and call this for home. Let's go back for the main blade, and now I can just do this and call this for route home. Let's copy this. And we have it here. Create post. Let's go back for the browser and see how this is working. We have welcome. So I probably have a problem down here, and I need to see what it's going wrong. So hold on. Let's go back for the web. Okay, sorry, that's because we don't have this one. We need to put it on the route and not on the return. So that's a mistake. Let's go back for the browser one more time and see what's happening here. And you can see the browser create is working, post working, and the home working. If I expect that, you can see all the links here. Get like we have from the previous video where I was showing that from the CSS here, when you use the route, it's already know that, and it's creating the correct URL here. So that's working as it should be, and we are very happy about that. Let's go back for data again. It's we want to add in the create page, we want to create the post here, and the name should be, I think we don't need the name here because it's a post, and then we just do this. And of course we can do this. Create post is the same, and return to view and post, and here we go. Let's go in for the create blade here, and what we're gonna do here should be the very basic one. A form tag action should be route and create post, and the method should be post and label your name, and then the input type, text, style, border 1 pixels, solid black. New line, and then button, create post. So let's see what's happening here, and going for the create post and see hello world, and see about what's going wrong here. The page doesn't exist, and I know that's because we need the right token. If you look up for this error code, it's because you don't it's allowed to go for this. So when we're going back here, the only thing you need to do now is just say the @CSRF, and we can go back to the browser, and we can just reload here and create. It's reloaded, hello world, and then it should be good to go. Then it's working, and it's because if we do this, you can see if we inspect this area, we have the token here, and this token need to be sent to the Laravel when you make a post or make a put request. It's very important. It's a security, so you don't so the user can use the man in the middle attack. So that's very important. So don't forget that. Let's going back for the editor, and I promise you to move this to back to the bib. So what we're gonna do here is just remove this up here and going for the bib, and I'll just go here, page title, and we need that's down below here. And in the posts we have one, and in the welcome we have one. And create post here, post. We just clean this up, and in the welcome plate we have all the data here. So I'll just put this and set display data. It's false. And then we can copy all of the array, put it inside, and just clean this up. So now your code is much more clean, and that's what we're gonna do. So let's going back for the browser again. I can just click on home, it should working, the post should working, and the create post. Let's go back here. That's it. That's how you're working with the routes inside the Laravel framework, and I really hope you'll stay for the next video about the Laravel framework. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel. You can press the thing below in the right corner, and remember, all the code will be found on my GitHub profile, and the link will be down in the description. And you're welcome to share and like this video, and thank you for the subscription, and hope to see you next time. Bye.